How to fix Shopify 404 error step-by-step tutorial. Are you running into the dreaded Shopify 404 error on your store? Don't worry, in today's tutorial, I'll show you step-by-step how to fix it and get your customers back on track. A 404 error occurs when someone tries to access a page on your Shopify store that doesn't exist. This could happen if a product was deleted, the page URL was changed, or there's a typo in the link. Step 1. Identify the broken link. Log into your Shopify admin and go to Online Store Navigation. Click on URL redirects or check analytics tools to find the broken links causing the error. Pro tip: use tools like Google Search Console to track 404 errors. Step 2. Create a redirect. Once you've identified the broken link, fix it by creating a redirect. In your Shopify dashboard, click on Online Store, then Navigation, and finally URL redirects. Enter the old URL causing the 404 error and redirect it to a new or existing page. Example: old URL /collections/winter sale. Redirect to /collections/sale. Step 3. Check your menus and links. Sometimes the issue comes from a typo in your navigation menu, product links, or collections. Double-check all the links in your store's menu and product descriptions to ensure they point to valid pages. Step 4. Test your fixes. Once you've implemented the changes, open an incognito browser window and try visiting the page. Ensure the redirect is working properly and number 404 error shows up anymore. Bonus tip: to prevent future 404 errors, always create a redirect whenever you delete or move a page. Tools like Shopify's built-in URL redirect feature and third-party SEO apps can help automate this process. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can fix Shopify 404 errors and keep your customers browsing your store seamlessly. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more Shopify tips, and leave your questions in the comments below. Before we wrap up, I have an exciting offer for you. If you're new to Shopify and want to create your own online store, you can get a full month of Shopify for just $1. Click the link in the description below, sign up, and create your account. This exclusive offer gives you access to all Shopify's tools to build and grow your business at just $1 for the entire first month. Don't miss out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly Shopify tutorials.